Now, the next section is how do we do some calculation involving exponential graph. So here we have a sketch of a graph, y equals ab to the power x, and b is positive and passes through 0 and 3, 2 and 3. And we're supposed to calculate the value of a and b. Okay, the first thing to set up an equation. You know, these are x coordinates and these are y coordinates. So I'm going to look at the first coordinate, x and y. And I'm going to use 0 and 3 to replace x and y in the function. So y is 3 and x is 0. So that's my first equation. 3 equals ab to the power 0, because that's what the coordinate says. But you know from your law of indices, a number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So b to the power 0 will be equals to 1. Therefore, we can now say that a is equal to 3, because a times 1 is a. So I now know my a. Now let's look at the second coordinate and use it to form another equation. Y is 12 and x is 2. So 12 equals ab to the power 2. But from the first working out, I know my a is equal to 3. So I'm going to put the 3 in place of a. So 12 is equal to 3ab squared. Then I'm just having a simple equation to solve. Divide both sides by 3. So now b squared will be equal to 4. And you find square root of 4. That is going to be what? Positive 2. Positive 2. I know you might think, why not negative 2? We will not accept negative 2. Because if you make it negative 2, you're going to cause it to be with a negative as a base, you're going to force it to become a reflection in the x-axis. But that's not what the graph is. So we just use 2. So now, knowing a and b, a is 3 and b is 2, you can even rewrite your equation or function as y equals 3 into bracket 2 to the power x. Let's look at a different one.